Factories use this tool to boost efficiency with minimal investment. It allows you to quickly deploy smart devices across your facility, ensuring they integrate seamlessly into your existing processes. The Connect app enables real-time communication for logistics and warehouse operators, ensuring smooth coordination and task management. Forklift drivers equipped with smart devices and the app can update tasks, report progress, and keep workflows running efficiently, minimizing delays and errors. Take control of your operations with a 3D digital twin of your factory. This advanced solution creates a virtual replica of your facility, enabling you to monitor operations in real time. Track forklift locations as they navigate the factory floor, observe material flows, and pinpoint inefficiencies instantly. Heat maps provide insights into movement patterns and highlight areas of congestion, making it easy to optimize layouts and improve efficiency. Analytics dashboards provide deep insights into your facility's performance, helping you identify opportunities for optimization and make informed decisions. All of this is accessible on your smartphone, so you can manage your operations anytime, anywhere.